So this is my performance task number 2, creating an edible cell. To start, I used a giant cookie as the cell membrane, and the cell membrane helps protect the cell and allows certain things to enter and exit the cell. And then for the cytoplasm, that's the frosting that's already on there, and that is what contains the organelles. So the first one is the nucleus and nucleolus, which I used a Lindt chocolate for. The nucleolus would be like the filling inside. So the nucleus contains genetic instructions, or DNA, which helps control the cell's activities, while the nucleolus is for RNA synthesis of the cell. And then next we have ribosomes, and I used these goobers. They're like chocolate covered peanuts. Let's put these around the cell. And these are they use the nucleolus's instructions to help build proteins. And then we have the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which I used pull and peel Twizzlers. So for the smooth one, that's just a plain Twizzler. I'll just place that here. And for the rough one, it's rough because it has ribosomes on it, so I'll take the Twizzler and then place more of the goobers, which act as the ribosomes, on it. So the smooth and rough ER are basically major manufacturing sites for the cell. And then next we have the Golgi apparatus, which I used airheads, and I just folded them up to mimic the shape of the Golgi apparatus. And that is used in modifying, sorting, and shipping cell products that are manufactured by the endoplasmic reticulum. So then I have lysosomes, which are going to be orange Skittles. And these are made by the rough ER and processed by the Golgi apparatus, and they're basically digestive compartments for the cell. And then next I have vacuoles, which are Starburst gummies in this case. And these are used for general maintenance of the cell, including disposal of water so that the cell doesn't get too full of water and then burst. And then I have mitochondria, which I took Mounds candy, and I just split it in half, and then I used frosting to create the inner membrane folds. And the mitochondria are used for cellular respiration of the cell. Next I took the pull and peel Twizzlers and pulled them apart to create the cytoskeleton. So I'll just place that around here. And the cytoskeleton is just used in the cell for structural support. Okay, and then I have microtubules, which are also kind of for shape and support of the cell, and they're also used as tracks for organelles that have motor proteins so they can move around. And I'm going to just use some colored frosting to create these. Okay, so those are those blue lines. And then the last thing I have are peroxisomes, which are going to be purple Skittles. And these, some of them break down fatty acids for fuel of the cell. And then, like in the liver, they detoxify harmful compounds. So that is my cell, which is basically a giant cookie.